This is our old water filter system that we haven't used yet because there's rat droppings in there and stuff like that, so I don't feel good about, I mean, I know I can sanitize that. I don't feel good about doing that, so what I did was I bought a new setup. It's already got new filters in here, and I got these 90s, so I'm, you know, one over there and one for over there, and well, I have a flexible hose too, and I'll show you how I'm going to put all this together. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty. I think there was a dead mouse or something there one time. It's gross. So that's why I got this new one. And I got these nice fittings here, so I'll be able to move this over here a little bit. I'll be able to connect the water coming in from here, the fresh water. I'll be able to come in through this, go through the 5 micron, I think, filter, and then 0.5 micron filter. And then out of that, it's going to come out of there. I got a little flexible hose I'm going to attach to this and hook it into this. So that's what we're going to do. The hose that I bought is called Steel Flex. It's a 3-foot hose, but yeah, it's really the perfect size. They have 1-foot options, but I didn't think that might be a tight squeeze, so I got the 3-foot one. So I'll show you how that goes on in just a second. So this is what it came with. This is the 5 micron filter. It looks kind of like paper towels, I guess, sort of. This particular one. It catches the heavier stuff like iron and stuff like that in the water. It'll start turning rusty colored or brown. So that's the first one that's gonna be filtered on the inlet side where the water comes in. And then the other one is this is one that goes through after that one. This is 0.5 micron. Later on, when this goes bad, I'm going to get a 0.2 micron because that's, you know, the smaller the better. It filters out more contaminants. But the 0.5 catches smaller particles such as chlorine, bacteria, cysts, and other contaminants. So the 0.2 is one of the smaller ones you can get. See, this one looks a little different. I believe it has charcoal in it, or maybe coconut fibers, I'm not real sure. But actually, if you're going to go buy one of these, I bought these on Amazon. And the company is Beach Lane. You can get all this with the filters for about the same price as you can get a 2-pack of filters. So that's why I decided just to go ahead and get rid of the old hardware and get a new one. And by the way, if you ever buy these things, if you use these, make sure that they come with extra ones with these little seals too. Make sure that these are sitting right inside of that little lip there, because that's what'll keep it from leaking. So you make sure that's in place where it's supposed to be, and then you just try to make sure that's in the middle. It'll set down in there, and then then you just get it going, tighten it up. It's got a little wrench too that you can use. Here's what the wrench looks like. It goes on there. You can tighten it up better after you hand tighten it. It'll do better once I get it connected. I'll put it up on the wall and then I'll tighten it up better then. I'm going to take a block of wood, put it behind that, so I have something solid to screw it into, because it looks like metal, but it's just a plastic sheet. So this whole thing is just plastic. So So I'm going to put this up in there behind it. The tricky part is making sure I got it where I want it.
Oh gosh.
There we go. So I'm going to tighten these up a little bit more. After you hook it up, you need to flush them out for about 3 minutes. That water, it's pretty murky. So make sure you flush the new filters for about 3 minutes before you hook it up to your system. Alright, here's everything all hooked up. Of course, I just stuck the wrench up there. It's just sitting up there, but yeah, the water comes in, goes through the 2 filters, loops around through the steel flex hose, and goes into the unit. You should change those filters out about every 3 months if you're living full time. Probably every 6 months or so if you're just part-timing. Thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. If you enjoyed our video or got any value, whether it be entertainment or knowledge or whatever, just leave us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. And also...
And don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll know when we release a new video. And also don't forget to check us out on Facebook. We do have a Natural State Rebels Facebook page as well.
Yep. And thanks for watching. Till next time.
Live in the sunshine.